let's just get in touch with our higher selves. Each of you has their own higher self. And this meditation is to help you to get acquainted with that higher self. And that higher self is the agent of change. It is your friend. So treat it as such, cordially. Right. So at first inhale, just focus on the air going through your nostrils. Just the air is going through your nose. Now the next inhale, when you're ready, notice that the air is going through your nostrils, through your nose, and also your chest is moving up and down with each inhale and exhale. Each inhale and each exhale. The air is going through your nose, the chest is moving up and down. And with the next breath, when you're ready, what you can do is, if you want, you can put your left hand or right hand on your heart. And on top of your awareness of the moving chest and the air going through your nose, become also aware of your heartbeat. Take a few inhales while being in that state. And when you're ready, shift all your attention to your whole body. When you're ready, just shift your entire attention to your entire body. Take a few deep breaths. It's like breathing with every single cell of your body when you are in that state. And as you are in this state, just say, I am ready to be in touch with my higher self. I am ready to be in touch with my higher self. I am open to be in touch with my higher self. Now imagine just this column of light, of bright light, and you being in that column of bright light. As you inhale that light into your head. You inhale the bright light into your head. Take a few breaths. And when you're ready, begin exhaling that light from your head into your belly. You are inhaling the light into your head, and you are exhaling this light into your belly. Just keep going like this. Inhale. Inhale the light. You exhale it. That's how it is. Be in touch with your higher self. The state can be more sublime and more profound as you cultivate it. Not the ultimate. It gets better. Okay. And now that you are in this state, you're probably more peaceful. You're probably more at peace. Right? You're more at peace. I'm looking at you guys and I can see you having your eyes closed and being relaxed. That is perfect. That is perfect. And use this peace, this profound peace, as your background. And notice on this background of peace that it is disturbed by something. You don't need to give it a name, but the peace you are experiencing is not absolute yet, not perfect. There is something. Maybe it's the thoughts. Maybe it's some worry. Maybe it's just thinking about something about yesterday or today. Maybe your boss pissed you off. You're planning things. I don't know. Not suggesting you anything. As you become aware of it, just let it go. Let it go. Just intend. You're in this state, you can intend for it to let go. Say, oh Lord, to thee I surrender all this. I'm asking for revelation and intervention. It is thy will. That's it. That's it. And if it doesn't go, then take a step back. Because when you are intending for it to let go, maybe it doesn't. And then just notice why it doesn't. Maybe it's a headache. Maybe something is itching. Maybe your nose is itching. Maybe it's something else. But something else is preventing that thing to go. So just intend for it to let go. And as you're letting go, you can imagine, you can feel it. But the intent is sort of like trying to push that thing away from you. And as it's pushing things away from you within, you may notice how something else is resisting it. Something else is resisting it. So first, just let go that something that is resisting it. Let that go first. That's it. That thing needs to go first. Oh, I feel so much lighter. Take a deep breath. Just let go. It's so easy to let go once you know how. That big thing that didn't want to go, just leave it for now. Notice the smaller things. You can do it. Whatever it is. Maybe a doubt. Maybe a thinkingness. Maybe an angry. Maybe you're angry or frustrated. I don't know. Might not be very profound right now because you are in the state of peacefulness. Just notice that this peacefulness is not perfect yet. But just let go. Let go. And as you're letting go, your body will let you know that it's gone. It will relax. Muscles in your body will relax. Just let them relax. If something resists your muscles being relaxed, let go. Whatever resists you being relaxed. That simple. You're letting go with just your intent. That's how powerful your intent is. When you are one with your higher self, it takes just an intent. It's so easy. That intent, your higher self, can lift the table. One finger, literally, or not. Throw it away. Just wait for your signal. Your intent is the signal for it. To lift it for you. Let it go. Just let go. Doing great. Doing really good. Your intent is very powerful. Once you are in contact with yourself, let your intent signal for your higher self. Let go. Higher self will do this for you. This is your friend. Your friend. You are good friends, actually. Cultivate the relationship if you want. Just let go. Just use your body to become aware of the thing that just been let go. Your muscles are relaxing. Your mind maybe becomes clear. However it manifests, doesn't always manifest the same way. Just let go. Remember, if that big thing does not want to let go, smaller thing first. The back is your body. Feel it in your muscle. Focus on how you feel in that moment and just let go. Intend for it to let go. The rest is done by your higher self. If you want, you can this state, letting go. Know how to get back to this state in the future. Just close your eyes. Take a breath in. Breaths later, you are in touch with your higher self. That simple. When you're ready, open your eyes or stay like this. Up to you. You decide.